had to get jaw surgery.
Oh, wow.
I had to get my wisdom teeth out. I had to have spacers, then braces. I had to braces 2 times.
Oh my goodness.
So stop the pacifier.
Hey guys, it's Priscilla Ono, global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty, and this is Meet Me in the Makeup Room. Today in the makeup room, I have my girl Itati.
Hi.
And we're gonna show you how to get this snatched look using an underpainting technique with the new Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Luminous Foundation. So stay tuned. Yo, I've been watching your videos forever. I love your mom, by the way.
Yeah.
I actually think I followed your mom first.
You did.
Yeah.
And then you were messaging her and you guys were chit-chatting and mom's all like, look, a famous makeup artist is following me. And I was like, oh my gosh. But she wanted to be here.
Oh.
And she couldn't, but
well, tell
gonna have a blast.
I'm a Doña Silvia stan, okay? So
number
Doña
1 fan
Silvia.
over here. I'm so excited.
Me too. So before we start, we're gonna pull a question. We always have these little questions, these pressing questions.
We're about to get some exclusive stuff about Itati, okay? Oh my gosh, of course.
What does it say?
What's a jamás makeup fail you'll never attempt to do and why?
Jamás.
Yo jamás. Jamás! If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with the word jamás. I just use it in a very like crazy way. I don't know, I'm a very crazy person.
It's giving novela. It's getting like jamás.
Rosa Guadalupe when they're about to like fight and they're like jamás te quiero volver a ver. You know,
exactly.
Like crazy stuff. A fail that I've done with makeup that I'm never doing again. I once wanted to get like a really bright under eye. No, I look like I put like the masola, like I put like the powder of the tamales.
Yeah.
I literally looked so white under my eyes and I went out all confident. And,
but then in the pictures, it probably looked even brighter, right?
oh, it was crazy. But that's something I'm still working on. I want to get like a really good bright under eye.
Yeah.
It's something I still haven't accomplished, and I'm like looking at.
Oh,
videos.
well, I'll give you some tips, girl. That's easy. We got this.
Priscilla,
We got this.
So after today, my makeup is about to change completely. I'm excited.
I love it. All right, so we're gonna do underpainting. This is kind of like an extra elevated, like if you really want to snatch, you do like an underpainting technique. It's old school. I know it's just like resurfacing right now because like TikTok, like the internet, it's like going crazy.
Everyone's trying different stuff.
Everyone's trying different stuff. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. And I think the reason why you get an extra snatch look is because you go in with your contour.
Oh, like you literally go all in.
All in.
Producto.
Everything. The good thing about Fenty Beauty is that we have Match Stix. They're amazing. They're gonna blend really well. I think sometimes it's intimidating to do all that contour because if you're using other products and they start melting and you can't blend it right and it starts sticking to your face weird, it gets a little crazy. But Match Stix makes it super easy, super perfect. So let's try it out. All right, we're gonna take Mocha. And I'm gonna warm it up on the back of my hand first.
Okay, I'm like watching.
And no foundation, this is just moisturizer primer. I'm gonna do cheekbones. I like to do the temples a little bit, underneath the chin and jawline. I like to do this little area right here too to connect it. Actually, Rihanna taught me this little trick.
Really?
Yeah, she likes to connect this right here so it kind of like narrows out your face.
Is this like a way of like Botox but in makeup form?
I think so.
Yeah,
It's like a lift, you know?
I love it.
So it's like, don't be afraid.
Trust the process.
This is a very trust your process type of application. Like you really have to trust the process on this one.
Nose contour is what I want to achieve.
Nose contour. You have a good snatch nose.
I got it done.
Oh.
But I still want to learn how to contour it.
All right, now we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm using Wear Even Concealer, which is one of my favorites right now. Fun fact, the more you use this, the better your under eyes look over time because it has skincare in it. Yeah.
Oh, a 2-in-1.
It's a 2-in-1. So we're gonna go in with this concealer. If you've watched any of my other videos or if you've seen me apply this, I always do like little dots because they put very little. But because we're underpainting, we're going for it.
You're going all in.
We're going all in. That's the whole point, is that you just go in with all this other product to create that super snatch look. Okay, so now we're gonna blend all this in with foundation. You're the first person to use this on camera.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Yes.
It's pretty exciting.
What's different with this foundation from the other one?
That's a good question. So this one's Luminous. It has hydrating properties in it, amazing skincare benefits. You're not getting any frills. Like I think with other Luminous foundations, there's like mica and like little glitters and pearls that make it like shine and give that highlight, that glow.
Yeah.
But this actually has real hydrating ingredients and that's what gives the glow. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna blend all this in with it. All right, so I'm gonna pick some of this up with our new foundation brush. Usually when we launch a product, we try to launch a tool with it to make it easy.
Oh, okay.
So this has like a little pinch on it, which I love because it gets into like all the little crevices and the corners, and it's really nice and dense, so it's actually gonna blend everything really easy. It's perfect for underpainting actually. So I just take a little bit on the brush and then we start to blend all of the contour. And at the same time, applying foundation on the outer parts. I'm doing like swiping motions right now just to kind of get the product thoroughly on the skin. And then I also do like these little patting, buffing motions just to get a really good blend. So depending on what you want, you can do these little different motions, but the brush really does the work for you. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the foundation on our little precision sponge, and I'm gonna blend your concealer in. So yes, even with the concealer, you still wanna dip into the foundation because it's gonna marry the two colors together. All right, you wanna see?
Yes.
I did half, but I want you to see the difference because it's pretty dramatic, okay?
Okay, is this about to be Itati's new technique? Is this about to be Itati approved? As if I'm an artist. Oh my gosh, I love all your work.
Or is it gonna be Jamás?
Jamás! Facts. Is it approved or Jamás? We'll see. Yeah, see? Luminous skin. It literally looks like you have like a moisture, almost like a
tinted moisturizer.
Exactly.
But like flawless, right?
Yes, and I love how it's literally summer vibes. Like you're ready to go to the beach. You look like you have a tan on your face. It's so sculpted. It looks like I just got injected Botox or something on my cheeks. It's so carved. It's so natural. I really love it.
Damn, you sold me. Like, where's my bottle at?
It really, really is nice. And I just love how this foundation literally looks like you just put a serum on my skin.
It does. It's perfect.
So watery. So this is the best.
Delicious, right?
I love it.
So while I blend the other side, I'm gonna have you take a question.
All right. Then this question, we're going in depth.
We're going in depth.
What's the most surprising thing about you that your followers might not know?
Ooh, I want to know this too.
Now let me think. The most surprising thing that I'm actually, okay, so little story time. Technically, me on my social media, I'm a very loud, crazy person, very hyper, very active. But then when I meet like my supporters in public, I'm so shy. And they're like, that's why they question themselves, like, is that even Tati? Like, is that her? Apart from that, something like surprising. Oh my gosh, should we say like a deep secret about me that no one knows?
Yeah.
You guys know pacifiers, baby pacifiers? I stopped using it at 15. I'm never gonna repeat that again in my life.
Oh my God.
I'm never repeating that in my life.
Wow. But like constantly,
That's
or
why-
like you
no.
like hide it?
No, girl, like every night I had a pacifier. That's
But your teeth
embarrassing.
look good.
No, hold on. This is where we're about to get deep into it.
Okay.
Because of the pacifier, Itati messed up her mouth and her jaw. I had to get jaw surgery.
Oh wow.
I had to get my wisdom teeth out. I had to have spacers, then braces. I had to braces 2 times.
Oh my
So
goodness.
stop the pacifier.
Don't do it.
Yeah.
All right, so the underpainting technique made it look super diffused. There's no edges. I feel like it looks even more flawless than if you were to put the contour on top and the concealer on top. And it was really fast. Like, it's so easy to do, right?
And I feel like it saved you a big step. I don't know. I think it was better to do first the contour, then the foundation, because you're sculpting your face. Plus, it's buttery, the contour, so it literally glides on. I would be, me if I wasn't here, I would be so scared to do that technique.
Same.
But with the right product, since it's so buttery and it blends out so easily, it's not a problem.
All right, we're gonna do some blush now. I'm gonna do your apples. Oh my God, you have the best cheekbones.
Oh my gosh. Really?
Yes.
You know what? Priscilla told me today, she said, Itati, you have such beautiful skin. Do you know how I feel like hearing that from Priscilla? That makes me like my confidence went from like 100 to 1,000 right now.
Oh my God, boom. And your cheekbones are amazing. Okay, because you like a really bright under eye, I'm actually gonna do a little bit more concealer on top. So even if you underpaint, you can still go on top and add more.
And when you said about the pink and the peach tones,
Yep.
What, for me personally, would you say it would be better? A pink undertone?
I would say both. They both would look really good on you. It's whatever your personal preference is. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend this in.
What's your favorite Fenty Beauty product?
How many? One?
How about you choose one per, like, for example, which is your favorite blush? What's your favorite bronzer
Okay, that's
shade?
more fair because there's a lot of products. For cream blush, for instance, Petal Poppin' is like the go-to. I feel like that's Rihanna's favorite color that we use a lot. So there's definitely like my favorites when it comes comes to colors. When it comes to like, let's say like our Stunna lip paints, I love the MVP. For highlighter at Fenty Beauty, we have so many. We have powder, we have cream, we have Diamond Bomb. I think Kilowatt OG is still my favorite.
Is it like bronzy or more?
Well, we have different shades, and the color I'm going to use on you later has a bit of bronzy. It's called Mean Money Hustler Baby. It's actually an original color that we launched, but afternoon snack would look really nice on you too. While I'm doing your highlighter, let's pull another question.
Let's do it. What trips are you taking this summer? Oh my gosh, yes. So my fiance just told me we're going to Dubai. I know, right?
Dubai.
Isn't that like when say like joking around like, oh, let's go to Dubai, and we're actually gonna go. We're gonna go to Dubai.
Woo.
And then we're gonna go to Mexico, Mazatlan. We're obsessed with that place.
I never been to Mazatlan.
Oh my gosh, girl, then you have not partied.
Really?
Oh, wait till you go.
Is it a party state?
It's crazy.
All right, I'm using Mean Money Hustler Baby Kilowatt on you to give you that beautiful glow. Now I'm gonna take Invisimatte just to give you a little bit of a blot. This is like our blotting powder.
Oh.
This is like, if you ask Rihanna what her favorite product is, I'm pretty sure she's gonna say this.
It's specifically for that, right?
For blotting, for taking away oil and grease, and not adding any makeup to your face.
Okay.
And it's one color for all skin tones.
Really?
Yeah. So it just takes away that shine. All right, so I just finished off the look. I added a little bit of gloss bomb, and I used the color Fussy and Sweet Mouth, one of my favorite combinations. Are you ready to see the finished look?
I am.
All right.
I'm ready. Am I going out tonight or not? Let's see. Yes, I'm leaving for 4 weeks. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me tell you something. I love that this looks like those type of like makeup looks you look on the internet and everyone's like trying to achieve it and they're just like, man, how do I do this, you know? And me watching Priscilla do this on my face, it's like the easiest thing because we're using good products that literally melt onto the skin.
This is the final look using the underpainting technique with Soft Lit Luminous Foundation. I hope you guys loved it and make sure to catch us in the makeup room.